What is the most expensive water? Is it Wilkins? Is it Absolute? Is it Summit? O yung Evian? The most expensive water is a tear. Isang luha. Bakit? Because a tear is 1% water but 99% feelings. Tandaan niyo po yon. Napakamahal ng luha dahil kahit na 1% lang yan ng tubig, mas karamihan dyan may naramdaman na lungkot at sakit. That is why the challenge is, let us first think before we hurt somebody. Please do not be the cause of another person's sadness. Please stop spreading sorrow and misery to other people. But rather, let us be instruments of joy. There are other people who are hurt when you hurt somebody. They are hurt because they love that person that you are hurting. Please be conscious of that. Please be aware of that.
Thank you for watching. Please follow, react, and share. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Junalyn Cabarnes.